You can order the bulbs used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you'll need to open the car's tailgate and take out the rear light housing. To detach the taillight assembly from the vehicle body, remove the 2 screws with a ratchet and a T25 Torx socket. Pull rearward on the light assembly to snap it out of the retainers at the outside edge. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the taillight assembly. To do this, pull on the tab and then on the connector. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. To remove the brake, taillight, turn signal bulb socket from the taillight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Simply pull the bulb out to remove it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. To reassemble, repeat the process but in reverse. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Repeat the same procedure for the reverse light bulb. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Reconnect the electrical connectors to the taillight assembly. The light is held in the body by retainers. Put the light back in. Screw the 2 holding screws back in. Operation complete.